So
Animal
I'm
Company
actually...
just got a new map. Well, not really. It's kind of a glitch, but it's pretty cool. Let's go check it out. Come on. Wait, do you have the grappler unlocked?
No, no.
No.
Wait, I have a lot of fireworks though.
Oh, thank you. That's too kind.
All right, you ready? I think I
Hold on.
know how to get there.
What?
How do you get into the...
Alright. Here, watch me. So, to get into this new map, you have to hold one of these, like, VR headsets, and then hold the other one, and just go in that one. And then boom. It's a brand new map.
Prax? Where did you
Hi.
take me? Prax?
Come on, climb the mountain. It's a mountain map. It's just
When
a
did they add
mountain.
this?
It's a mountain. Do you like it?
Is it endless?
It's a mountain.
Yeah, I know. Prax, this is gonna take forever to climb.
It is. Me and this kid, he showed me it, and we just climbed all the way to the top of it.
What's at the top?
Nothing.
No, no.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Just leave it. Just leave it. Bye, backpack.
No.
It's not worth it. You'll get stuck.
What's at the top?
You'll find out.
There's nothing at the top, isn't there?
No, it's there's actually like you know how the mountain's like a triangle?
Yeah.
Mountains are like triangle shapes. So there's like it's like a triangle.
Prax. How much farther?
There's it's pretty big mountain.
You could say that again. Yo, yo.
Just keep going.
Prax, I don't think I can keep going. Yeah,
You have
Okay.
to.
I gotta go.
No. Goodbye, Porter Wiz. Goodbye. I'll see you in the. I'll see you. I'll see you soon. Well, now it's all just me. I'm all alone. Once you climb all the way up here, you'll just keep climbing up. But there's gonna be like a little wall right here. You could climb over to it. And it's like a little platform. So now you're up here, and there's really nothing for you to do up here. It's just kind of cool. Just kind of cool to show your friends. You could, like, if you play hide and seek, this is a great spot to hide. And there's like, hold on, you could go up here, I think, and it's even further. I'm terrible at climbing these steep things, but I'll do it. I'll do it for the views, for the viewers, for my loyal patrons, for my subscribers. They're my people. Oh, okay, I made it. Okay. This is like another platform area. And the peak of the mountain is just up here. We're almost there. We're almost to the top. Almost. Come on. A little bit more. Yes, I am the king. I am the king. Alright. I've only made it up here. I haven't really seen anything else. Hold up. I gotta get my firework out. Shoot. Please. Finally, alright. So, I have no clue where I'm going. This better not kill me. I'm just gonna go over there because I see some area or something. Oh no, I'm sliding. I'm sliding off. Alright. Is this the end? No, okay. I don't know where I'm going at all. I'm just going with the flow. Alright, this is probably the end. Ooh, that's dangerous. I see something over there. I was not able to get there. And oh, wait. You could get there with like a gravity gun, I feel like. I don't have those unlocked yet, but okay, I'm on like a platform. I think that's where I'm gonna end this video. Alright. Goodbye, everybody, and see you for the next video.